Welcome back to my channel, Infra with Rahul. In this day 8 of our Linux series, I will show you how to create an empty file, how to delete a file and also a directory using the Linux terminal. So let's get started. So currently, I'm in your Ubuntu terminal. In order to create an empty file, we need to use a command called touch. So let me type touch and provide a file name. So in our case, the file name will be a.txt. And if you give enter and if you type ls, see the a.txt file got created. Now you might be getting question, okay Rahul, we learned how to create an empty file. What if we want to create multiple files at the same time? So in order to create a multiple files at the same time, just you need to provide the command touch, the file names b.txt, c.txt, d.txt, just to enter. In order to confirm, provide ls command, and if you see the b.txt, c.txt, d.txt files are created. So you might be getting one more question, is this touch command used to create only the text files? No, you can use many extensions as well. So for example, I will create one shell file and as well as a Python file. So just provide touch script.py and script.sh, and if you do enter and verify it, see the script.py and script.sh has been created. Okay, so you will be getting one interview question, why touch command is used? Make sure you need to say touch command is used to create an empty file. Okay, so this should be your answer. Now you learned how to create an empty file. Now we will learn how to delete an empty file or a file. In order to delete a file, you need to have a command called rm, which is remove, and provide the file name. In our case, I will provide a.txt and just do enter. And if you do ls, see the a.txt file has been deleted. We only have b.txt, c.txt, d.txt. As you learn to create multiple files at a time, you can also delete a multiple files at a time. Just similar to the touch command when we used b.txt, c.txt, d.txt to create. In a similar way, I will delete multiple files at a single shot. Just do rm space b.txt, c.txt and d.txt. Just do enter, and if you see ls, see the files got deleted. Also, remember when you're using any shell script to delete a file or you are on a production server, always use rm-i interactive mode to delete the files. So I will give the script.py file name. Now you see the difference, script.py, and just to enter. See, there's a command prompt asking remove regular empty file script.py. If you type yes, it will delete it. If you type no, just a n, it will not delete. Let's see. I have provided n as a no and just to enter and just to ls. See, script.py is not deleted. I will retry this command once again. Just to rm-i script.py and just to enter. Now I will give it as a yes and enter. Now if you do ls, see the script.py has been deleted. So now you learned how to delete a file as well. The next topic is how to delete a directory. Let me check the directories inside this demo directory. So there are currently no any directories. In my previous video, I showed how to create a directory. So we use mkdir command to create a directory, which is make directory. Okay, so mkdir the command and provide the directory name. So I will provide the directory name as a demo1 and just to enter. If you do ls, the demo1 should be existing. See, the demo1 is available. Now I will delete it using a command called rmdir, which is remove directory. Okay, so mkdir is used to create a directory and rmdir is used to delete the directory, and just give the directory name demo, enter, and if you do ls, see, the demo1 directory got deleted. Now I will create one more directory called mkdir demo2. So the new directory is demo2. Okay, just to enter. If you do ls, see, the demo2 got created. What I will do is, let's go inside the demo2 directory, enter. So I will create one text file, touch.a.txt, and I will create one more directory inside it called demo3. Okay, now if you do ls inside demo2, see, there are contents inside this demo2 directory. Let's go back to the demo directory, just cd dot enter. Okay, now I will try to delete the demo3 directory, not a demo3, just a second. Yeah, I will try to delete a demo2 directory using rmdir, rmdir demo2, and press enter. See, it is giving us an error saying that rmdir failed to remove demo2 directory because it's not empty. So now you might be getting an idea. Okay, rmdir command is used to delete only the empty directories which doesn't contain any content inside it. So now how we will delete this demo2 directory which contains one file as well as one directory inside it. So it's pretty simple. Just type rm hyphen r recursive, remove hyphen r and the directory name, and enter. Now the demo2 directory should be deleted. So let's get verify, just to ls, and if you see, the demo2 directory has been deleted. So now you learned how to create a empty file, how to delete a file, and how to delete a directory. That's all for today. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like, please do like, support, and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.